Hello, today we're here with High Tech Sound and Lighting, testing out our outdoor truss rigging system. Right now for the test, we're using 10 JBL 932 liner A speakers. As you can see, we have custom made brackets for at the top. They cancel out the reverse 15 degrees, so your first two speakers are straight in line, and then your next three speakers will give you your 45-degree curve. Normally, if you do 6 or 5 like that in a row, you're more than 60 degrees, and then the bottom speakers are hitting the ground, so you're wasting sound. Our subs for the test today are 2 SRX728, 2 subs apiece. Our amps are going to be itech 6000s, as you can see right here. Our crossovers, the drive rack 4800 with a Q in there. Our mixing board is going to be the Pro one, which has a lot of functions and very nice for outdoor setups, especially if you have a lot of bands, because you can save and change on the fairly quickly. So right now, when we're testing the system at about 100 yards at half volume, we get about over 100 dB of pressure, which is fairly strong. Normally on the outdoor system, we would use 12 liner A speakers, about 6 per sides, and 8 subs of 728, which gives you a nice punch and keeps it going pretty far away. So he's going to step back real quick, and we're going to give you a small demonstration.